Welcome to Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot, your daily dose of the latest in cryptocurrency news, market insights, and blockchain trends. Let's get started. Bitcoin is hovering near $97,400, while dominance jumped above 65% for the first time since early 2021. But low volatility readings point to a burst ahead, according to analysts. Traders are poised for Jerome Powell's comments following today's Federal Open Market Committee meeting, where rates are expected to stay at 4.25 to 4.50%. Historical patterns suggest these quiet spells often end in sharp moves, a bit like cracking the Konami code to unlock hidden levels in a classic game. Global tensions add fuel. India's strikes in Pakistan and renewed U.S China trade talks in Switzerland helped Bitcoin rise above $97,200 before a pullback. Gold and safe haven flows also picked up, setting the stage for volatile trading around support near 94,000 and resistance at 100,000. Stablecoins are in the spotlight as USD-backed supplies exceed $230 billion and often settle more value than legacy rails. Washington faces two critical votes. The Genius Act on licensing and reserve rules is up in the Senate amid dissent from Democrats and some GOP members. A companion End Crypto Corruption Act aims to bar officials from profiting off tokens tied to public office. Bitwise warns that stalled legislation could erode investor confidence. Ethereum's Pectra upgrade went live at 10:05 UTC, lifting the maximum validator stake to 2,048 ETH and allowing regular wallets to behave like smart contracts. Binance and Coinbase briefly paused deposits and withdrawals to safeguard against hiccups. While price action was muted, these changes paved the way for easier fee payments in stablecoins and batch transactions. On Solana, April saw minting of over 1.2 million SPL tokens driven by meme coins and record fees on both network and the Pump.Fun launchpad. Meme coin volume accounted for nearly 40% of DEX trades, underlining community appetite for quick-hit launches. At the state level, New Hampshire signed the first strategic Bitcoin reserve law, permitting up to 5% of its portfolio in crypto, while the UK ruled out a national Bitcoin reserve, citing volatility concerns, despite holding over 61,000 BTC from seizures. Innovation continues beyond trading. Coinbase introduced the X402 HTTP payments protocol for seamless on-chain settlements. Visa doubled down on stablecoin rails by investing in BVNK, and Revolut partnered with Lightspark to roll out Lightning payments in Europe. On-chain history moved again, as two long-dormant wallets tied to Silk Road shifted 3,422 BTC, a reminder that century-old holdings rarely stay quiet forever. Movement Labs rebranded to Move Industries after shaking up its executive lineup amid a token sale scandal. New leadership vows governance reforms to restore trust. That's a wrap for today's edition of Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot. We hope you're feeling more informed and ready to navigate the cryptoverse. Until next time, keep your digital wallets ready.